Holy shit! Holy shit! Holy shit! Try to catch it with my. Try to catch it with my. Try to catch it with my.
Now we're taking off this trail.
I don't know what he said. Do you know? Oh, that's gross, dude.
That is slippery. This is the Mia Cookie. I kind of want to do that.
Really not that bad.
It's not that bad. I'm Chester Storm. I'm in
autobiography. It goes like,
dude.
I'm horny. I'm horny. For you, man. Not as low.
That's really distasteful.
like a man and just climb.
Iced tea from McDonald's.
I drink that.
2.5 men. I'll watch that.
Oh my gosh.
So quit rapping now.
He like goes up to the yeah.
What's the goal here? Bird gang. I don't know. Kill it.
Damn, that is one son.
Was there anything on the other side? No, this is literally the only.
You get to the other side, it's safe haven.
I wish we can just teleport. Well, I mean, we're like half. We're like. Oh fuck.
Let's just head back right now. I agree with that. If Chester Filmer. Dude, don't go on that side.
The wind's blowing this way.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, dude, you stand on the edge of a building. That's not even.
And?
Not even cool.
Holy stairs.
Oh jeez. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, I'm actually falling. I'm actually coming down fast.
Oh! Oh!
Oh boy, I'm coming in hot. I'm coming in hot. I'll move. We were just up on this thing. Now we're going down to the base of it.
What's the rating of your channel? Like the movie ratings, where it's like PG, PG-13, R.
Probably like PG-13.
We should I don't know, maybe expand some more.
You gotta get so dirty.
Let's squeeze that booty.
I can't believe it.
Thanks, Bill. That was a good idea.
What's the plan, Chester?
Pull that shit.
I ain't going down that shit.
Jump to the tree.
Get outside with Mac.
There's a few areas that aren't covered in ice, you gotta step there. There goes my handhold. Easy. Did you know that scene where in Spy Kids, where Elijah Wood walks out in the cake and dies? That's from Spy Kids, where Elijah Wood walks out in the.
I'm gonna put my camera away while I go down this thing. I think Miles isn't coming down, so he'll film.
I ain't coming down.
I'm staying up.
Come down.
Looks like me and Chester are the only ones with some nuts.
Way too hot to sit down.
Well, you guys are gonna be dead.
Yeah. Well, looks like you're the only stupid ones. We're gonna be the only dudes doing cool.
That's not cool.
Hey Eric, What's it feel like to be bitch made? I wouldn't know.
I wouldn't know, dude.
Why don't we ask them?
Hey, wait, how do you guys, what does it feel like to
Oh yeah?
be dead?
Ask my dick.
Oh my god!
Must just suck.
So we made it down. Not necessarily worth it, but we're not. Look at this moron. And now we're gonna go on this, see if it's safe. Won't be, but we're still gonna see. What was that, Chester?
Definitely not safe.
He said it's definitely not safe.
You get back up and climb across this way.
Get back up.
I'm right.
By doing common math.
I'm right.
She's all dirty.
It's so slippery.
Bad idea.
Oh, this is not slippery over here.
This is not slippery.
No, I mean, slippery.
Gosh, that really hurt. Gosh, that really hurt.
Just slide down.
Yeah. You alright there, buddy?
I got cocky.
Hey, you gotta be faster than the ice. Just stupid. You just gotta book. Just gain speed.
Okay.
Yeah, rev up. All right, now I go up this stupid thing.
I killed a man.
All right, so now we're leaving. Gonna go get some Subway. If this vlog is boring, screw you.
That's your problem.
Subway one day.
No, they're all slimy. So we just got Taco Bell. Now we're going to my house, I think. Now we got Subway.